Here we are going to learn how to use the filter function. Filter function allows you to filter a certain data available on the sheet with respect to a value available in a certain column. Let's see how we can apply it. This function is the filter function and it can be used in two ways. How we can apply it? Just select the row on which you wish to apply the filter. Click on the filter button and it will be applied. The three lines at the right hand side of the column, you can say specifically cell, represent that the filter is applied, and clicking on it, it will show you all the discrete values that it contains. So this is application of the filter. When you have the edit axis of this sheet and clicking on it again, the filter will be removed. And if you do not have the edit axis of this sheet, still you can apply the filter view. Just click on this arrow, bottom arrow, besides the filter, and a menu will appear. Click on create new filter view. Just click on it and here you will be able to apply the filter view. This will not be a permanent filter, but it can be saved and it can be used by you. For example, my name is Ankur, so I'll rename it as Ankur and I'll use it in all the future cases. Here in the list you can find your filter view. So now I am going to show you what is the benefit of using the filter and how I can use it. For example, if I wish to see all the students who have scored below 5, so from the filter view I can select 3, 4, 2 and 5, and once I click on confirm, it will show me only the entries that are scored equal to or below 5. So this is how we can use filter. You can use it in multiple columns at the same time as well. You can say simultaneously as well. For example, if I wish to find the numbers of Z's who have scored below 5 or equal to 5, so here I'll click on this, all the discrete values will be shown. I'll select Z and click on confirm, and here you will be able to find all the Z's. Now I'm going to remove it. If you click on this, there are a number of ways, conditions on the basis of which you can also apply the filter apart from value, like this: is equal to, not equal to, like we can apply the conditional formatting like the similar way we can apply here. Is less than, greater than, you can put in this in case of any value and apply the same. If there is discretion in terms of cell colors, you can apply the same kind of filter. For the numbers, you can apply the similar kind of filter based on the condition, the values. For the text, you can basically apply using the certain values. So here is all about the filter.